But guys, we're at Chick-fil-A, grabbing some grub. Guys, it's snowing somehow. This is so crazy. I'm gonna be honest, you can't really see it on cam, but there's something falling from the sky. And unless the Jews are doing this shit, something is coming down. Guys, we're back, and we're gonna be doing an unboxing on our ambient lighting interior strips, so our Footwell lighting. So this is our new manufacturer and brand that we're going with. It's by Type S. So little backstory of them: they are online, but some of their products are carried at AutoZone, believe it or not. So you could definitely find them there, but everything else is online. Great company. So this is how the box looks. If you're wondering why I have glasses, it's because I'm baked. These are gonna go on Talley's car, so should be nice. Let's see what we got. Alright, so this is the packaging. Very simple, basic. I like that. You first get a cable, a second cable, a third cable, and a fourth cable. And then you have your, this is what you could use for power. Pretty nice. Then you have this one, which is for something. And then you have your remote. So this is the module controller box. This is how everything gets controlled, and it also is remote controlled. Alongside that, you get some alcohol wipes, some 3M tape, with your little important instructions manual, alongside your instruction manual. So overall, pretty good, you know. Nice little instruction guide. Then, like I said, guys, this is a very simple kit. Very simple, straightforward. Easy going, it seems. So this is actual strips, guys. So you get 4 strips, you know, for each Footwell. Very nice. They're about 8 to 12 inches long. So and then you should have an LED strip just like this. So that's how one of them looks, guys. Let's get them all plugged in. So it looks like you can only really control on and off. You can't change the colors through the module box, which kind of sucks, but it's kind of cool. So as you guys can see, they are different colors, all working, looking very nice. So now we're just waiting for Talley to pull up and should be installing them. So it should be fun. And as we're speaking, Talley's here.
You got the setup for real. What's going
got
on,
Talley.
guys?
Big 4Runner.
Oh yeah.
About to get some nice lighting done. So guys, basically we're gonna be putting Footwell lighting in between all of these. So it's gonna go on that side, this side, all on the back. So that's how the strip is gonna be. It's gonna be looking real nice. Should be a pretty fun project.
Y'all like and subscribe right now.
Like
if
and
y'all
subscribe.
are at the video right now, like and subscribe.
Like
right
and
now.
subscribe,
Come
on God. Talley, look at the shop.
Oh shit! Yo! What the fuck? An Xbox, bro? Yo, what the fuck? Bro, what is this right? What is this, a cassette player or something?
Record player.
A record player? Oh my gosh, bro.
Oh yeah.
Fucking couch, dude.
Upgrading.
Bro, that shit is dope. What the fuck?
Every day a little bit more. And then, bro, that's how your kit. That's your kit. All wired up.
Got the. Okay, bet. Yeah, I got the fucking Christmas tree ready, boys.
But we got a whole tree.
Come on now.
But we're in this Christmas spirit. You know how it is.
Come on now. Oh my gosh.
Ah.
Crazy.
But yeah. Alright guys, so we did finish the lights now. We got Talley.
We started recording.
Alright, fine.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
So we have lighting there, all around. We have a crazy setup. Oh my god. Bro, I want to get subs too.
Yeah.
It's Bad Friday now.
No, I'm not alone, cause I came with the fire. I'm still gon' put it on, and my bitch match my vibe. The way the low drop, she might think it's out the sky. I'm so fucking TMZ, I used to want a GMC when one was doing B&E. We revving up and going on a run like we DMC. I lay up with her for a couple days, then it's BRB. Rappers love asking if I fuck when you know he did.
What you, bro? What you mean?
Hey, alright guys.
Weird.
So we're at the mall now.
Boys, we at the mall right now. Discover Mills, pop out, ATL, y'all know.
Yes, sir.
See what we're about to get into, boys. This might be a little crazy. I don't know.
Some sharking action. About to do some sharking action. So, guys, tune in.